With another collaboration, this is a trachea scaffold that was printed. I like to include this one because it's a larger scaffold, but higher resolution. You can really see the details. And then another beautiful thing is, okay, well, let's take, the body doesn't just have collagen, right? We want to make let's say we want to print something that's as physiologically relevant as possible. Well, you're probably going to want to add in something like hyaluronic acid because that's very prevalent as well. And so when we add in hyaluronic acid, you get these materials that have the strength from the collagen, but a little bit more elasticity and flexibility, kind of this squishiness factor that's the HA can contribute. And so you can really dose in different materials because every single tissue is different. There's never going to be this universal bioink that fits every application because every tissue has different stiffnesses, different cell types, different layers. And so being able to combine the collagen with other materials is necessary for really creating organs and tissues that fit your applications. Again, another example of, let's change up the formulation a little bit and end up with something that's very flexible and squishy compared to something that's maybe a little bit more robust, maybe something that degrades slower over time in the body, um, something that bounces differently, depending on what you're working on. So it's a tunable material. We're making great strides at CollPlant, focused on the tissue engineering space, the organ manufacturing space. And my role at CollPlant is really to help get these materials into all of the labs, in the US, North America, around the world, to allow everyone to get their hands on and start really, playing with this material and pushing the limits and pushing the boundaries of what can be printed, DOP printed, two photon extrusion, stereolithography, um, acoustic, what can be done with these types of materials and what kind of breakthroughs we can continue to make, all of us together.